So this is a hybrid tutorial. We're going to do a Linux installation followed by a Windows installation of Bitdefender. Industry practice is that software company will pay hardware company to put their bloatware on the machine sold to their computer illiterate customer who will in a year time start paying for a service that could have been rendered free from another provider simply to make pop-ups go away. So let's search for Bitdefender Linux. So click on request a free trial. I arbitrarily require that all my viewers have free encrypted email. So fill out this application and click send. After you've opened the email and clicked the download link, you'll be directed to this page. So look for the highest version number of the software, and then if you direct your attention to the bottom portion of your browser, it'll give you the full name of the link that you're hovering over. So I am running a 64-bit version of Linux called Peppermint, and I will be selecting Linux AMD 64 Deb Run. Okay, I'm selecting rename just so that I can highlight the entire name and copy it. Going up to a parent directory, I'm going to open the downloads folder in the terminal. We're going to type in sudo sh, and then we're going to paste in the name. Okay. Holding down enter, typing in accept. Yes, we want the graphical user interface. Okay. We're going to change some of our settings. Keep the application running in the background. Yes. Start with the system startup and start minimized. And then, so we're going to paste in the serial number we got from our generated email. We're going to click update now. And this concludes the Linux portion of the tutorial. Free Windows Bitdefender.
1 hour later. 1 hour later.
We will click on this camouflaged agreement check mark. Click install.
One hour later.
Let's sign in. Go ahead and create an account if you don't have one. Okay, so it's just going to run in the background. And right now we'll just take a minute to clean up our redundant shortcuts. So that concludes this video, and thank you for sharing it with your friends.